Ace weather news now. The northern lights were visible across Nebraska last night.
Channel 8's Jessica Blum joins us live now with more on that. Jessica?
Yeah, Rod and Megan, funny enough, I'm actually in the spot that I was in 24 hours ago trying to see them myself. But again, if you were lucky enough to see those lights and get away from the city lights into a dark enough spot, you could see the northern lights for a time. Of course, clouds and other factors were trying to limit what you could see, but this show was 2 days in the making.
This all started on the 21st. There was a coronal mass ejection from the sun. It took roughly 2 days to get here, so 48 hours. For these particles that are shot out of the sun from this coronal mass ejection.
From the sun, this ejection led to a powerful geomagnetic storm on Earth, reaching a G4 out of 5 rating. Experts say this intensity has not been seen since the early 2000s. Space weather forecasters had shifted the southernmost point for viewing to include Nebraska, so many were able to see the show Sunday night. And not only could most of Nebraska see it, photos came in as far south as San Diego, California, New Mexico, and the panhandle of Texas. This rarity is caused by the Earth reacting to the sun.
On the sun, there are magnetic fields, very strong magnetic fields, and they kind of act like rubber bands. And so what happens is material from the sun in the form of a plasma, which is a composition of charged particles. They get caught in one of these rubber bands. Essentially what happens is shear forces break that rubber band. And when that rubber band breaks, all the material in that rubber band is then released out into the solar system.
And out of it, we get the northern lights.
The northern lights basically are caused when those particles reach the atmosphere, and then they begin to interact with the particles in Earth's atmosphere. And what happens is we have what we call an energy transition.
When the relaxed particles of the atmosphere get excited during this, they want to return to a relaxed state. By doing that, they release light in an array of colors.
You get the different colors in the aurora because of the difference in the composition of Earth's atmosphere. So when you see green, that's an oxygen molecule that's returning to its relaxed state. When you see red or blue, that's a nitrogen atom.
The sun can be very harmful, but in the matter of aurora borealis, experts say to take advantage of it.
Go out and enjoy it. You know, I looked at all the reports. There's no danger from it. You know, you might have a glitch in your GPS, but this thing's almost over anyway. So yeah, just go out and enjoy it, have fun.
And if you try to go out on a night like tonight where it's dark enough like I am in, you're unfortunately just not going to see it. The show is over. The geomagnetic storm has since calmed, so you're not going to be able to see anything. Reporting in northwest Lancaster County near Branched Oak, Jessica Blum, Channel 8 News.
Very interesting story, Jessica. Yeah, I saw a lot of pictures shared of it. I wish I
Beautiful
could have seen
pictures.
it myself. Yeah, they were gorgeous.